yes, we're up to this bit came off, but I just realized this pencil was dent because the piece of wood came off, so it's the paint. So, oh well. I was thinking continue whacking this thing, so yeah, you know how it goes. It's just stupid and dumb, it doesn't want to work properly. And of course the came off is so cheap and powerful, so whatever. It flies right off. Thing? Oh, I missed. Stupid thing. I was slouching. Stupid thing. Oh, stupid dumb thing. It's lid. Can this lid fly to the other side of the spot without hitting people in the face? Let's find out. Junk. Doesn't want to fly off. Stupid. Thing. Don't slouch. Oh no, stupid cloth was ruined. Sorry guys, the cloth's ruined. Thing. Stupid dumb remote. Just did my brand new set of pencils where I got damaged that I found in the abandoned place. The abandoned place next door. Not near me, but the other side. Yes, I think the better place I just went. Because that's the original one. This one was just a very old place. Not old as this one. This one's just way too old. But the other one's just giggly. Because I think it's just an attic. I mean, it's just an outdoor basement, I guess. You know, slouch to the other side. Fine. Thing. Oh, there's cardboards. I had enough of them. Junky, dumb cardboard. Alright, let me just touch it. Alright, back on action. Because I hit the cardboard. That's probably why. Stupid cardboard. Oh, stupid blind cloth. Whatever. Stupid thing. It's nearly finished. Okay, whatever. It's finished.